Hi everyone, this is Vaishali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the original onion black seed hair care range by Wow Skin Science. Also got some product, the original onion black seed hair care range by Wow Skin Science. Let's talk about the packaging first. This is the outer packaging of the box, and inside it there is one more box. There is a shampoo and the conditioner inside of the box. इसकी बॉटल कुछ इस तरीके की दिखती है. इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है. The second product is conditioner. This is how it looks like. These products are made of 100% natural ingredients. They don't use any harmful chemical in their products. These products are dermatologically tested and suitable for all hair type. No matter how your scalp type is, you can try these products. Each bottle contains 250 ml of the product. Fighting with the hair fall has never been easier, so I am here with the solution. These products can be the most perfect solution for your hair fall. Let's talk about the ingredients of the product. Shampoo and the conditioner has red onion black seed oil. This is the most powerful, effective onion oil. These products are 100% natural, paraben sulfate free and no silicone in it. Onion को काटना और उसका जूस बनाना, this can be a very tiring process. जब आपको एक बॉटल में ही हर चीज़ मिल सकती है, जब आपको अनियन की गुडनेस आपको एक बॉटल में ही मिल रही है. Let me tell you, the black seed oil is very good for your hair. आपकी hair growth को increase करता है. Let's talk about the benefit of the product. So I believe in using natural products. Honestly, मैं इसे एक हफ्ते से यूज़ कर रही हूँ और मैंने अपने hairs में एक visible change देखा है. My hair are more smoother and more bouncy now. They are feeling clean on the third day also. अगर आपको भी हेयर थिनिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, अगर आपके बाल में बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, तो आप इन प्रोडक्ट्स को एक बार ट्राई दे सकते हैं. अगर आप भी ये प्रोडक्ट्स को ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, जहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली जाके बाय कर सकते हैं या इनके प्रोडक्ट्स को चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट फॉर हेयर ग्रोथ, हेयर थिनिंग. This tames frizziness and balance the pH level of the scalp. Personally, I am loving this product because after ये shampoo scalps के लिए बड़ा अच्छा है. I can say my hairs are more manageable from the past. This is the one-stop solution for hair fall and hair thinning. That's it for today's video. We're gonna meet in next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Be wow naturally.